Welcome to this Tricalc tip where we are going to learn how to make a mirror of an LSF frame. We can use the function define frame in Light Frames LSF to capture the existing frame properties. So we have now here all the properties of that existing frame. The objective is to make to the right side from this axis here a mirror of this existing frame. So we can now first of all define which is the insertion point. We are going to use the insertion point at this side to make the mirror side, and we can select here insertion point, for instance, the midpoint of the profile. Now for creating the mirror effect, you can go to the horizontal insertion direction. In this case, it's the axis that we want to mirror or to change. And we are going to change the x plus to the x minus direction. So now we have the A axis in the opposite direction. So we are going to insert an horizontal plane. This is a slab, so we are going to insert in a horizontal plane. We are going to select which is the insertion point here, in this point. Okay. Now to select the direction, I'm going to select here a work plane from frame LSF. Select this frame. So this selection made the work plane to be the horizontal plane at 5 centimeters height. Now I can use the right mouse button, as I have a work plane active. I can use the right mouse button to define the first direction for this panel, this frame, and now for the direction of placing here, in this case for this side, and also the right mouse button. So we have now the original panel and the mirrored one. Hope you like this tip and keep following the next tips.